School. I'm your science teacher. We are learning physics part of science, in which we are learning chapter 8, motion. Yesterday we talked a little about distance and displacement, right? Today we are going to learn more on it about motion. Okay. Now, as what I said yesterday, that what is distance? Distance is the actual length of the path traveled by an object. Distance is the actual length of the path traveled by an object. Okay, actual length of the path traveled by an object, we call it as a distance. And displacement is the shortest distance between the start point and the initial position and the final position. Okay, now what next we are going to learn is called a uniform motion. Now what is uniform motion? The word itself tells you something. Uniform. See, we wear uniform in our school. Why do we wear uniform? Yeah, I know it has no relation with distance or displacement, but still the word has a meaning here. See, you all wear uniform. The purpose of wearing a uniform is what? The purpose of wearing a uniform is that you all are equal. You all are equal, right? Means you all are equal in the sense what? That no discrimination in terms of color, no discrimination in terms of religion, no discrimination in terms of rich or poor, anything. Equal, you all are equal. So here also uniform means equal. Now equal motion, that doesn't make sense, right? But it do make a little. Let me explain you. Uniform motion means if an object travel, uniform motion is if an object travel equal distance in equal interval of time, we call it as a uniform motion. What did I say? If an object travel equal distance in equal interval of time, we call it as a uniform motion. So let us take an example here. What does exactly it mean? That how if an object travel equal distance in equal interval of time? Let me show you. Suppose you travel, your journey starts at 11 a.m. Okay, and let me write and show you. Suppose your journey starts at 11 a.m. right? Your speed is 0 kilometer per hour. Now let's say it is 11:15. Your speed is 10 kilometer per hour. Then it is 11:45. Your speed is 20 kilometer per hour. Then it is 12 o'clock. Wait, sorry. Here it is, if I say 30. So it is 30, 45. So it's like every 15 minutes I'm talking about. So your speed is 30 kilometer per hour. So if you see properly, in every 15 minutes, right? In every 15 minutes, your speed is increasing by 10 kilometer per hour. In every 15 minutes, the speed is increasing by 10 kilometer per hour. That's what I was talking, right? In every 15 minutes, the speed is increased by 10 kilometer per hour, right? That's what I was talking. So here what I'm trying to tell you is that in 15 minutes the speed, equal distance in equal interval of time, right? So you are traveling, if you talk about distance, you're traveling equal distance in equal interval of time, right? So let's say if you don't take speed and you say you are taking time, kilometers, so you say like in 10 kilometer, 20 kilometer, 30 kilometer. So in each 15 minutes you are traveling 10 kilometer, right? In each 15 minutes you are traveling 10 kilometer. That's what we are talking, that equal distance in equal interval of time, equal distance in equal interval of time. Okay, so that's what I was talking about. If an object travel equal distance in equal interval of time, then it's said to be in uniform motion, right? Let me see how textbook tells you. If you see, there are two objects. The first object, if you see, the first object is at 930 kilometer. At 930 kilometer, the object travels 10 meter. 945 is 20, right? Then okay, so likewise it is increasing. 945 it is 20, 10 it is 30, 10 15 it is 1045, right? So here if you see, if an object is traveling equal distance in equal interval of time, it is traveling equal distance in equal interval of time, then we said it is said to be in uniform motion, right? Now if you see the object B, if you see 930 it is traveling 12 kilometer, 945 it is 19 kilometer, 10 it is 23. If you see the distance 12 to 19, 7 kilometer, 19 to 23, again it is not same. So everywhere, every 15 minutes the distance are not same. That's why we said, see, can you see here in a yellow part? If an object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, it is said to be in uniform motion, right? And when we come across unequal distance in equal interval of time, so what is the definition of non-uniform motion? It is very easy. See, if an object does not travel equal distance in equal interval of time, right? We call it as a non-uniform motion. Exactly. See, so what is uniform motion? If an object travel equal distance in equal interval of time, that is called uniform motion. And if an object does not travel equal distance in equal interval of time, we call it as a non-uniform motion. Perfect. Got it, everyone? So this is what we are talking about, uniform and non-uniform motion. Okay. So we learn what is distance, we learn what is displacement, we learn what is uniform motion, non-uniform motion. Okay. So I'm wrapping up here. We have learned so far, right? You can ask me any queries if you have any. Okay. Till then, thank you. Bye. Take care.